Hi friends, it's Liz here. Thank you for joining me today. I am doing the flip through of the Michaels paper pads for the fall, the ones I mentioned before, and many of you wanted to see it, so here it is. I also found this magazine that had an additional kit for card making from the designer Maggie Holmes that I want to show you. So I'm going to go through what's in the package because that's one of the things I always I find difficult is when I'm trying to purchase something to see what's in it, to see if I really want it. So I ended up buying it. Lucky for me, I did like what's in it. But hopefully if you were looking at it and wanted to decide if you wanted to make any of these purchases, then I'm flipping through things so you can see if you want it or not. Hopefully this helps you. So this first paper pad, I'm loving the colors, and of course I'm already into the fall and crafting, so I'm so happy and excited to be pulling out all and everything fall. It's my happy place, and I think it's a nice sort of intro to the holiday season, which I think we should start crafting earlier. That's just me. I don't think there's enough time for Christmas crafting, so I might be doing a little bit of both throughout, these next few months. But we'll start with fall. So this is one of the latest paper pads that I found. The next one is this one called Cottage Flowers. Another thing I wanted to mention is I happened to go by this like 99-cent bin as I was leaving the Michaels, and I found a bunch of goodies. I'm going to show you that before I show you what was in the magazine. Now, for the magazine itself, I'm not going to be showing you the magazine because not everyone might be interested in that one. But if you are, leave a comment below and let me know. But I will be flipping through and pulling out all the pieces that came in that extra kit that they included. For me anyways, I'm always excited when I find something new, and that is totally new to me. So I was so happy to see that. You can see this paper pad with the cut aparts. It again has 3 of them, so I think it's always nice to have a little bit of extra. And as many of as you know already, I've started dabbling into greeting cards, just for friends and swaps and that sort of thing. And I'm really loving the concept of coming up with a design for a smaller piece of something and not have to do an entire journal or an entire album. So it's really lovely to do that. I will be showing you in the next couple videos some things that have been coming in for the giveaway challenge that I'm hosting. I will link that video below if you haven't seen it. Okay, and the next one is this fall orchard one. I think if anyone likes this type of crafting, when it comes to maybe making recipes or recipe journals or that sort of thing, this is so perfect. And I really do love the colors in here as well. So I think I might actually do a challenge for myself and see if I can fully use one paper pad with many different projects, maybe even including embellishments and that sort of thing. Let me know if you're interested in seeing that, and I'll see if I can put something together because I'm feeling inspired with all my fall items all around me. And I'm going to try and do projects that you can do at home so that you don't need a lot of extra supplies. If you already have the papers or any fall theme papers, I'm going to see if I can, make projects that you can do things that are easy and you don't have to go out and get all the extra goodies like I just happened to go and get. Okay, so after this one, I'm going to show you the pieces I found for 99 cents. I am super excited about them. And then I'll show you that kit or that paper pack that came with the magazine, the paper and cards, I think it's called. Now I forget what it's called. I'm doing the voiceover, so I forget what the video has. But starting with the stickers. Now, I think these are so cute, and I apologize for the glare. I hope that you can still see it. These were all in the 99-cent section of my Michaels. So they had like an extra bin on the side. I almost missed it because it was like around the corner. So, but I was so happy that I went and checked it out. All these lovely little goodies that I personally have not seen before, and I don't even know where they were keeping any of this in the store. I think they must have just forgotten they had it and pulled it all out. I did use a little birdie already on this one, and I love these little puffy stickers. My favorite things are, additional pieces like these embellishments. Like, look at these Christmas trees. And this one here came like with all the different little pieces. So I just grabbed what I could. Some of them I did buy, buy an extra one if I saw it, but most of them were just kind of singles like this. So it was just so fun. Now I'm going to have a lot more fun getting inspired by all the goodies. Check out your Michaels just in case. I guess you see the same thing. All right, so the magazine is the Papercrafters Magazine. If you want to see a flip through of it next time, let me know. I wasn't sure if you did, but I did want to show you this card making kit that was included, which is the reason I bought it in the first place, because I wanted to see what was in there. I like Maggie Holmes already, so I wanted to see what this was. It includes a set of stickers, and I'm thinking it's exclusive to this magazine now, like that it's included with it, but I don't know. Correct me if I am wrong, and if you know if that's what happens with these extras when they include them. Here I'm just trying to show you the size of the card, but I guess I could have just measured it and let you know. But it comes with cards already, like base of cards ready made. And these are the different patterns. And the paper is actually not a bad feel of paper. So I guess the, the paper is not as thin as most papers I'm used to. Usually when you buy things like this, I find that the paper is quite thin, but this one does not seem bad at all. And then I'm not sure why these ones were included separately in a little pack. I guess maybe because I'm not sure. Anyways, these are the ones that are included here. And now I see that this is more geared towards like summer crafting because of what it said on the front. But obviously, if it's card making, you can do this at any time. And of course, I can save some of the more summery themed pieces for my summer crafting. And now these papers are actually very nice and thick. I did not think they were going to be that good. So I remember that I really like how these papers feel. And you can see that it's double-sided as well. And I don't know about you, but I have such a difficult time using double-sided paper because I don't like to cover up the other side. And I feel like I'm wasting a pattern. I don't know. Are you the same? Because I feel like I can't craft with double-sided paper most of the times if I can't see both sides. I think because of Michael's, me buying all those paper pads all the time, it spoiled me with one-sided, paper. But I have to get used to that. And now these are the additional little die cuts that come with it. And I really do like, the different patterns and the different designs on it. And like I said, this was, I think, meant to be more for summer crafting, but I am in Canada, in Ontario, and I think this is a European magazine, if I'm not mistaken. So I get things a lot later, like months later sometimes when we get them. And so, of course, I didn't get this until now that I found it, and I'm still loving all the designs. I can probably still get away with using a lot of it now, but I'll definitely be doing a little more crafting with it. And this is the last piece. So I hope you enjoyed this video, my friends. Just a quick share. If you are near a Michael's and you wanted to see if you can find some of those 99-cent items, go for it. I hope you enjoyed the flip through of the paper pads, and let me know if you want to see me craft with an entire paper pad. I don't know if that even is a good challenge for me. I'm not sure if that would work, but let me know. All right, see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by.